Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve a very important DSA question that is asked in TCS Shift 1 on 12 November. Maximum sum Kriya sum in circular series. You are given m distance circular series, each of length n. Each circular series contains integer from 1 to n arranged in order. The series is circular, meaning 1 is adjacent to 2 and n is adjacent to n minus 1 and 1. Kriya's operation. When Kriyas is performed on a number, both of its adjacent number vanish. You are not allowed to perform Kriyas on adjacent number. And the task is for each circular series, choose a set of number such that the no two chosen number are adjacent. Maximize the sum of the chosen number, return the total maximum sum across all m series. And the input we have to take m as a number of circular series and m is the length of each circular series. And we have to return the maximum sum possible, right? So let's understand the question. We have given an example. The input we have given m is equals to 4 and n is equals to 5, right? So m is equals to 4 means we have given the four number of series, right? And it is range from 1 to 5, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, right? So we have given a circular series. Circular series means one is adjacent to 2 and 5, and 5 is adjacent to 1 and 4. And the operation we have to perform, like, we have to choose a set of number that is not adjacent to that number. For example, if we choose 1, then 2 will vanish and 5 will vanish. And if we choose 3, then 4 will vanish, right? So that's the operation we have to perform. We have to select such numbers which gives us maximum sum, right? So so let's see what we can do. Since the question asks for the maximum sum, the best place to start is the last number, that is n, that is 5, because it is the largest value. Now, if we perform a Kriya on 5, let's declare sum is equals to 0. If we choose 5, then 4 and 1 will vanish, and we do plus 5 in the sum. And then the next largest number is 5 minus 2, that is 3. We plus sum 3. And then 2 will be vanish. Okay, so the answer is 8, right? There are m number of kriyas, and the maximum sum is 8. So the total total maximum sum is 8 into 4, that is 32. and that will be our answer, right? For example, if you can say that, for example, if we choose 4, right, then 3 will vanish and 5 will vanish. Okay, and the sum is equals to 4. And if we choose 2, then 1 will vanish, and there is another one is already vanished, so we can't do anything. So 4 plus 2, that is 6. Got it? So it is giving the smaller number, right? So that's why we are choosing from the last, and then we are choosing the another largest number, n minus 2. First we choose n, then n minus 2, then again this process will perform. This process will repeat. Pick a number, skip its adjacent number, move backward by 2, right? So in this second example, you can see that we can we will start from the end, right? We have given an 4 series from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. And this series, number of series is 4. Like this. So the logic is we will start from the last number because it is greatest number, and we have to find out the maximum sum. Okay, so first we will choose 10, so we will do plus 10 here, and then 9 will be vanish and 1 will vanish, and this, and then we go to 10 minus 2, that is 8. We choose 8, then we plus 8 here, and then 7 will be vanished, and then and the other number is already vanished. So then we choose 8 minus 2, that is 6. We choose 6, we plus 6 here, and then we will vanish 5, and then 6 minus 2, that is 4, right? We choose 4, then 3 will be vanished. We choose 2, then their adjacent is already vanished, so the sum is 30, and the number of series is 4. Then we multiply it with 4, that is 120, and that will be our answer. So the logic is, pick a number, pick a largest number, skip its adjacent, move backward by 2, right? So let's perform our logic into the code. Hashtag include IO stream using name space std int main. First we have to take int m, and we have to take input cin m, and then we take a input n cin n. Then we perform our logic. Let's name the function Kriya, and we pass m and n here, and we are returning integer, right? So we will write int Kriya and then int m, int n. Then we declare int sum is equals to 0 initially. Then we apply for loop. So it is from I is equals to n, right? We are starting from last number because it is greatest number. And we are not choosing 1. Okay, so I is always greater than 1. And then I, and we are skipping its adjacent number, that's why we are subtracting -2. And then we select the number I. Okay, then we return the answer. Sum is multiply with m because there are m number of series, right? Let's print the answer also. Let's run the code. First, if you have remember in the question there, in the example we have given m is equals to 4 and n is equals to 5. Let's put m is equals to 4, n is equals to 5, and the answer is 32. And then again, uh, we have in another example, if you have remember that we have given m is equals to 4 and n is equals to 10. So the answer is 120, right? That's it, guys, from my side. I hope all of you understand the problem and understand the logic. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe the video, and comment TCS and TCS PYQ so I can bring more question like this.